All right, here we go. Another video. January 31st, Sunday. Taking a look at all kinds of videos now. I'm doing small caps. Move to some other things. Volatility index, UVXY. Let's take a look at that. And what this is, if people don't know, it's the VIX. You can't trade the VIX. So short-term futures, like a volatility index, measures the volatility in the market. So just looking down here, in FinViz it says investment before fees expenses correspond 1.5 times the performance of S&P VIX short-term futures index in a single day. Market volatility, publicly traded future markets, applied volatility of the S&P over 500 over 30 days in the future. And you can see here, this is my chart. I have everything on it. You see the daily chart right here. It's hard to go back. I'm trying to go back to March. Oh, here it is. I'm sorry. So see the move in March, volatility. This thing went up to 130. That was the complete, fast crash coronavirus. We came back, bounced. But look at this move now. Sideways or channel, not sideways, more of a channel, I meant. Channel down, channel down. You have the same move here. Now look at this move here. It happened here back in 2019. Big move, falling wedge. Eventually we broke out. Now, are we at a big point where we're going to move up, pretty solidly here? Market's going to pull back strong. No one knows for sure. No one knows. I would take a guess here. Is a good shot here. Will it work? You don't know for sure. Try this in September. Try it in November. If we move up here, we've already moved from 10. Check my videos before. I said this was going to base at 10. Once I saw this and it'll go up, and it did. It's a nice $4 gain. And then right now you have the 100-day. Here's the 150, and the 200 days at 24. I think we can reach 24. If we get the market really falling, it's possible. So, what is the futures right now? Let me look. Let me check investing.com. So, you see the volume increasing here too. Look at that big volume down. Here's the biggest I've seen ever. We have futures and it's not the futures. There you go. Well, right now it's not looking good. That can change. Minus 166 on the Dow, S&P minus 24, Tech 109. VIX is 34, up a little bit. So, if I saw a bounce right now after hours, it looked pretty good. Yeah, it doesn't show that. Excuse me. So, and this could be a bigger move here. This could be one of the biggest moves. June, is another good move here. See these little blips here? And each, month that the market did go down. Now, let me go back to a little cleaner chart here. See, look at this line. Tight. You see a wideness to a tight each. That's what each level is. This is what a falling wedge is. 1, 2, 3. Look at these points. And the main thing I'm seeing here, look at this volume. That's a hedge. People, smart money's thinking this is probably going to go down the market. So, you have the biggest volume I've ever seen. Look at back here in March. That was only 87 million. We're double that almost. 169 million. So if we get a good move up, FinViz right now, it looks like it has pretty much this line. It's saying it's a big line between 25 and 30. Could we see there? It's possible if we really come down hard. So it to be determined where we're going from here. Is it a big move, correction, 5%, 7, 10 plus? No one knows right now. We're very overbought too. These volatility index moves real fast, so we moved up really hard right now. So, we're going to move back or put in a big tail. We'll see in this, but I still think we're going to get a bigger move. You can see here, and look at the moves here. These big moves here. This is inside the triangle. Now we're coming outside, so that will conclude an even bigger move. And the volume. So that's what I'm looking on UVXY. You can trade these too as day trades, which are very good. All right, here's the VIX. Now, the VIX had the big move in March. We went 20 to 85. Volatility went through the roof. We came down with a triangle right here. Bounced up. came back down, bounced to 35. You can see September, all the moves. November, another one. And then, we flatten. Now we're moving again. You can see this trend line now. There's a trend line here, here, and here. So are we breaking above it? Right now we're very close. I think what after pre-market, not pre-market, futures right now we're above that. So is this a bigger move happening? If it is, you're going probably to 45 level on the VIX. So this never went below 20 all the way since March. We came close. So we're in this 20 to 40, even maybe 45 range. That's what we've been in for a while with big spikes in between. See the spike, down, spike, down, spike, down, spike. And just depends how far the spike is. We're going to have volatility probably keep going here a little bit. As the market's down right now. We'll see if we bounce tomorrow. We could get a bounce. I think it's a dead cat. I think it's a dead cat bounce right now because I think there's this further downside in the market right now. I think we're going down further at this point. All the what's going on in the market. We have to see what happens to all these brokerages, and they're not letting people trade if they have a liquidity problem, and other factors too in the market. So you can see where we're at here on the VIX. All right. SVXY. This is a short-term VIX futures ETF. This is one I don't really use, but just take a look at it. On this one, this had a big drop March. We bounced. See the low on this getting higher. So you can draw a line right here. We're pretty much, what is it, right here about. See these lines connect? And then here's your retracement. See the Fibonacci retracement? There's 100%, 61. We're coming back up. So it's near the 38.2 Fibs level. Come back up here is a 50% retracement. Then we're coming back. So you can see the lowness getting higher each time, higher, higher. And we really fell off the map on this one too. This was going pretty good each bounce. It got stuck up here at this 38.2 near 40. Move closer. Look at this go down now. This is really getting oversold. This is at 35. I don't use this that much. I'm not that familiar with it. People might. I'm just showing the chart. But we could get a bounce here. This could keep going even to the 23.6 fibs. But see the line here? Each line's getting higher. You want this to stay above probably 35 on this. SVXY. Short-term VIX. Let me just look exactly what it is. SVXY. Let me see what it says exactly. This is short-term index for a single day. S&P 500 market volatility. It's 0.05, so it's half the inverse. So I think UVXY is 1.5. So yeah, FinViz is showing that line too. I'm drawing right here. That's the line they have. And they actually have a line right here. May up. See this back and forth, back and forth. So we're breaking that. So this has got to hold on, or maybe this is going lower here. All right, so that's it. Quick update on UVXY. The VIX, SVXY, looks like more turbulence ahead, more volatility. And that's it. Please subscribe to Mike Kim and Trades on YouTube, tradeIdeas.com. Check that out. Twitter, Mike Frank 007. TikTok, Mike Frank III. Instagram, Mike Frank 98. Stock Twits, Mike Kim and Trades. All right, I'm going to download this, and that is it for now. Peace.